Research of 2011 by the Pastoral Women Council, Partner Community Aid and Small Enterprises Consultancy found that morants are mainly commissioned by community elders to get young girls pregnant, hence they are forced to drop out of school. The Maasai communities, however, are presently more aware of the significance of education and are slowly becoming more motivated to take a number of their children to school. One of the Maasai ladies that is presently fighting greatly for the good of the Maasai girl child is Mary Tomoina Supet. She completed her primary and secondary education at AIC Girls and Moi Girls High School Senior, respectively. Currently, she is finalizing her diploma studies in broadcast journalism at the Kenya Institute of Mass Communication.
You find they are married off when they are young. They don't know how to take care of children, to bring up a family, to take care of their families. So I said, because my parents took me to school and I managed to come to this far, let me also help them where I can.
In the year 2015, Supet discovered an initiative dubbed SMALA, that is Strong Maasai Ladies Association.
My main thing why I came up with this is that to help our society, to bring up ladies who can lead not only in their families but in the whole country, the whole world.
As the founder of the program, she ensures that she meets with the stakeholders of SMALA at least after every 3 months to discuss on the development of the plan. She narrates how she managed her studies and the program.
So I decided that each holiday at SMALA we go and equip them with knowledge. We look for those ladies who are learned and those who can model them so they can speak to them.
On the same note, the initiative partly advocates for termination of female genital mutilation in the community, which is a major cause of early pregnancy. Once a girl undergoes FGM, she considers herself mature and a woman enough to bear children.
Not our main aim, but we also discourage circumcision of. We also discourage female genital mutilation.
During the meetings, Supet, together with her fellow ladies and some elder women, distribute sanitary towels to the girls and purchase for them some refreshments. However, the major challenges that they encounter include transportation and enough money to print out the posters for meetings.
We don't have any support from anyone. Sometimes it's so hard for us because the little pocket money that we are given, some money we have to set apart for SMALA.
Early pregnancy in the Maasai community is considered disgrace of the highest order and also reduce bride price during marriage. Nancy Uchido, KUTV.